Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today the subject we are studying is D Maths 4024. This is called Mathematics Syllabus D. We are working on the syllabus, and the topic on which we're working is simultaneous equations. So, we are going to work on the simultaneous equations, and we will work on the real world context problems related with the simultaneous equations. And this, for this purpose, the chapter we have selected is chapter number 2. And the exercise I'm going to attempt is the review exercise of the chapter number 2 from the book D2. The name of the book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. So this is review exercise of the chapter number 2. So let's start, and here we go. Here we go. So this is review exercise, and we are going to attempt it, review exercise 2. And in this session, in this video, we are going to start from the question number 6, and we will try to go up to question number 17. So from the review exercise 2, from the book D2, I'm going to start my work solving these equations from the chapter question number 6. Okay, so here we have, and so we have here solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. The first part is 7x plus 2y equals to 10, and 5x plus 2y equals to 6. So you see, the coefficient of the y is same in both the equations. So if you simply subtract both the equations from each other, the y will be eliminated, and you will be able to find out the value of the x. Once you have the value of the x, then put this in the first equation or the second equation, and you will be able to find out the value of the y then. So let me show you how this can be done. So I will subtract the second equation from the first equation. So you will have 7x plus 2y minus 5x plus 2y equals to 10 minus 6. You see, from the left side, I've subtracted the left side. From the right side, I've subtracted the right side. So we will open that bracket. So you will have 7x plus 2y minus 5x minus 2y is equals to 4. So minus 2y plus 2y, they will be cancelled. So you will have 7x minus 5x. 2x is equals to 4. So x will be equals to 4 by 2. So x will be equals to 2. Now, once you have the value of the x, I can put the value of the, I can find the value of the y simply. 7x plus 2y is equals to 10. So in the place of x, I will substitute 2. So you will have 7 into 2 plus 2y equals to 10. So 2y is equals to 10 minus 14. So y is equals to minus 4 divided by 2, and that will be minus 2. So these are the values of x and y, and the whole question number 6A part is showing up on your screen. And you can pause the video and you can take your time. Okay, so the B part is 9x plus 4y equals to 28, and 4y minus 11x is equals to minus 12. So here you can see the coefficient of the y is 4. The coefficient of y here is 4. So they have the same coefficient. And you know that we can find out the value of the x by simply what you have to do. You will have to subtract equation number 2 from the equation number 1, and automatically you will find out the. Okay, so now we are going to the question number 6. It's B part. Okay, so from this equation, I will subtract it from this equation. So you will have 9x plus 4y minus 4y minus 11x bracket close equals to 28 minus bracket minus 12 bracket close. So it will be 9x plus 4y minus 4y plus 11x equals to 28 plus 12. So plus 4y and minus 4y, they will be cancelled with each other. So you will have 9x plus 11x, and that will be 20x equals to 28 plus 12, and that will be 40. So the 20x is equals to 40. So x will be equals to 40 divided by 20, and x will be 2. So now you have the value of the x. We will substitute that value into equation number 1, or you can do it in equation number 2. So the equation number 1 is 9x plus 4y is equals to 28. So 9 into 2 plus 4y is equals to 28. So 4y will be equals to 28 minus 18. So 4y will be equals to 10. So y will be equals to 10 divided by 4. So y will be 5 by 2, which is 2 whole 1 by 2. So the question number 6 B part. Let me reduce the size a little bit so you can see. Let me reduce the size. Okay. Now you can see the question number 6 is B part. The whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, so we are going to the next part. That is question number 6. It's C part. It says 2x minus 5y equals to 22. 2x minus 3y is equals to 14. So you can see the coefficient of x is same in both the equations. So 2x minus 5y equals 22. 2x minus 3y equals to 14. Because the coefficient of x is same, and in both equations, the coefficient of the x is positive 2. So simply subtract both these equations, and automatically the x will be eliminated, and you will be able to find out. Okay, so here we go. So 2x minus 5y equals to 22. So 2x minus 3y equals to 14. These are the two equations. So when I will subtract from the left side will be subtracted. From the right side will be subtracted. So you will have 2x minus 5y minus bracket start 2x minus 3y bracket close equals to 22 minus 14. So 2x minus 5y minus 2x and plus 3y is equals to 8. So plus 2x minus 2x, they will be cancelled with each other. So minus 5y and plus 3y, that will be minus 2y equals to 8. So y will be equals to 8 divided by minus 2, and that will give you minus 4. So now you have the value of the y. We will substitute the value of the y in the equation number 1. So when you will substitute the value of y equals to minus 4 in the equation number 1, which is 2x minus 5y equals to 22. So 2x minus 5 bracket minus 4 bracket close equals to 22. So 2x plus 20 is equals to 22. So 2x will be equals to 22 minus 20. 2x is equals to 2. So x will be equals to 2 divided by 2, and x will be equal to 1. So this is how you will solve this question. Very simple, straightforward question. I'm using the elimination method, and simple. The whole question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video. Okay, so we are on the question number 6, and it's a D part. 6x minus y is equals to 16, and 3x plus 2y is equals to minus 12. So you can see the coefficient of x is 6, and in the other equation, the coefficient of x is 3. The coefficient of y in the first equation is minus 1, and the coefficient of y in the second equation is positive 2. So you can make y same, or you can make x coefficient same. It's up to you. So if you want to make the y same, you will have to multiply the first equation with the 2, and then it will become very easy. Okay, so I'm going to make the y same. So what I will do, I will multiply the first equation with the 2, and I will subtract from that the second equation. So you can see 2 bracket 6x minus y bracket close plus 3x and bracket 3x plus 2y bracket close is equals to 2 into 16 bracket close plus and bracket minus 12 bracket close. When I will open these brackets, I will have 12x minus 2y plus 3x plus 2y equals to 32 minus 12. So plus 2y minus 2y, they will be cancelled with each other. So you will have 12x plus 3x, that will be 15x. And 32 minus 12, that will be 20. So x will be equals to 20 divided by 15. So that will be, you cancel both of them with the 5. So you will have 4 by 3, which is 1 whole 1 by 3. Okay, so that's now you have the value of the x. You can substitute that value into the first equation in that question. And so the 6x minus y is equals to 16. So 6 into 4 by 3 minus y equals to 16. 3 and 6 can be cancelled. So you will have 2 into 4, that will be the 8. Minus y equals 16. So minus y will be equals to 16 minus 8. So minus y will be equals to 8. So y will be equals to minus. So this is how you will do the D part. So my dear students, the first portion of the D part is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video And now the second portion of that question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time. Okay, so the E part, it says 4x plus 3y equals to 0. So 5, and the second equation is 5y plus 53 equals to 11x. Okay, so here the arrangement in the second equation is not right. So I will try to rearrange it and then I will try to make them same. So 4x and plus 3y equals to 0, that is good. 5y plus 53 equals to 11x. So I will bring the 11, I will take this 5y to the other side. So you will have 11x minus 5y equals to 53. So these are the two equations. And so I will try to make the coefficient of the x same. So I will multiply the first equation with the 11 and the second equation with the 44, and I will subtract them. So 11 into 4x plus 3y minus 4 into 11x minus 5y is equals to 11 into 0 minus 4 into 53. So you will have 44x plus 33y minus 44x plus 20y equals to 0 minus 212. So plus 44x and minus 44x, they will be cancelled with each other. So you will have 33y plus 20y, that will be 53y equals to minus 212. So that 53 will go on the other side, it will divide there. So you will have y equals to minus 212 divided by 53. Y will be equals to minus 4. So now you have the value of the y. We will substitute this value into the first equation, which is 4x plus 3y equals to 0. And we will find the value of the x. So 4 into x plus 3y equals to 0. 4 into x plus 3 into minus 4 equals to 0. 4x minus 12 equals to 0. So 4x will be equals to 12. X will be equals to 12 by 4. X will be equals to 3. So this is how you will solve question number 6 and its E part. And hopefully you understand this. Question number 6 and its E part. This is how we will do that question. So now the next question coming up on your screen, we have the F part. It says 5x minus 4y is equals to 4. 2x minus y equals to 2.5. So these are the two equations. So very simply, you can make them same, the coefficient of y same, or you can make the coefficient of x same. For example, if you want to make the coefficient of y same, then the second equation must be multiplied with the 4, and then the two equations should be subtracted. If you make the want to make the x same, the first equation should be multiplied with the 2, the second equation should be multiplied with the 5, and then they should be subtracted from each other. So that is the F part. So, okay, so I'm going to make the y same. Okay, so 5x minus 4y equals to 4, 2x minus y equals to 2.5. So I will make the coefficient of y same because they have the same sign. So I will subtract them. So 5x minus 4y in one bracket minus 4 bracket 2x minus y. And that will be equals to 4 minus 4 bracket 2.5 bracket close. So this will become 5x minus 4y minus 8x plus 4y equals to 4 minus 10. Minus 4y plus 4y, they will be cancelled. So 5x minus 8x, that will be minus 3x equals to minus 6. So minus minus will be cancelled. So x will be equals to 6 divided by 3, and x will be equals to 2. So this is how you will find the value of x. Once you have the value of the x, I will substitute that value either into the first equation or into the second equation. So I'm going to put this value in the first equation, which is 5x minus 4y equals to 4. So x is 2, so 5 into 2 minus 4y equals to 4. So 10 minus 4y equals to 4. So minus 4y will be equals to 4 minus 10. So minus 4y will be equals to minus 6. So y will be equals to 6 by 4. So y is equals to 3 by 2. So that is 1 whole 1 by 2. So this is how you will solve this question. So question number 6, its F part is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. The next question is question number 7 from the review exercise 2 of the chapter number 2 from the book D2, and the book name of the book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. Two numbers are such that if 11 is added to the first number, a number twice the second number is obtained. If 20 is added to the second number, the number obtained is twice the first number. Find the two numbers. So, question number 7, and so we will suppose that the first number is x and the second number is y. So if suppose the first number is x, the second number is y. So if 11 is added to the first number, so x plus 11, if that will be equals to 2y. If 20 is added to the second number, the number obtained is twice the first number. So 2x will be equals to y plus 20. So these are the two equations. So x plus 11 will be equals to 2y. This is the condition which was given in the question. And x minus 2y is equals to minus 11. So I have brought the 2y to this side, 11 to that side. So that's why it is x minus 2y equals to minus 11. Second equation is 2x plus 2x is equals to y plus 20. So 2x minus y equals to 20. So that will be my second equation. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. So I can make, I will multiply the first equation with the 2, and then I will subtract the second equation from it. So the x will be eliminated. 2 and bracket x minus 2y bracket close minus bracket 2x minus y bracket close equals to 2 into minus 11 bracket close minus 20. So you will have 2x minus 4y minus 2x plus y equals to minus 22 minus 20. So 2x will be cancelled, minus 4y plus y minus 3y is equals to minus 42. So y will be equals to 42 divided by 3. So y will be equals to 14. So now you have the value of the y. I will substitute that value into my first equation. So x minus 2y is equals to minus 11. So x minus 2 into 14 equals to minus 11. So I have substituted the value of the y. X minus 28 equals to minus 11. So x is equals to minus 11 plus 28. So x will be equals to 17. So this is how this question is done. So this is the first portion of that question, and I hope so. Let me reduce the size so you can see this is the first portion of that question, and this is the second portion of that question. I hope you understand. So the first number is 17, the second number is 14. Okay, so we are going to the next question, and the next question coming up on your screen is question number 8. He says the figure shows a parallelogram with its sides as indicated. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram. You see in the parallelogram, the opposite sides, they are equal to each other. So I will make this 3x minus 4 equals to x plus y plus 1. That will be first my one equation. And x plus 2 is equals to 2y minus x. That will be my second equation. So here we go. So x plus 2y equals to 2y minus x, and x plus 2 is equals to 2y minus x. X plus x minus 2y is equals to minus 2. So you will have 2x minus 2y equals to minus 2. So divide all of them with the 2. So you will have x minus y equals to minus 1. That is my first equation. Now I will equate these two with each other. So you will have, first of all, I equated these two. Now I will equate these two with each other. So you will have 3x minus 4 equals to x plus y plus 1. So 3x minus x minus y is equals to 1 plus 4. So 2x minus y is equals to 5. So these two, this is my second equation. Now you can see the coefficient of the y is same, but both the coefficients are minus 1, minus 1. So I will subtract these two equations from each other. So when you will subtract them, the value of the y will be eliminated, and you will get the value of the x. So x minus y minus bracket 2x minus y equals to minus 1 minus 5. So you will have x minus y minus 2x minus plus y equals to minus 6. So minus x is equals to minus 6. So x will be equals to 6. Now you have the value of the x. Now I can substitute this value into my first equation, which is x minus y equals to minus 1. So in the place of x, I will put 6. So 6 minus y is equals to minus 1. So minus y will be equals to minus 1 minus 6. So minus y will be equals to minus 7. Minus minus will be cancelled. So the y will be 7. Now I know the x is 6 and the y is 7. I want to find out the perimeter of this parallelogram. So I will add up all the four sides, length 1 plus length 2 plus length 3 plus length 4. So it will be 3x minus 4 plus x plus 2 plus x plus y plus 1 plus 2y minus x. So it will be 4x plus 3y minus 1. In the place of x, I will put 6. In the place of y, I will substitute 7. So you will have 4 into 6 plus 3 into 7 minus 1, 24 plus 21 minus 1, and that will be 45 minus 1, and that will be 44. So the perimeter of this parallelogram will be 44 centimeter. So you can see this is my question, question number 8. Let me reduce the size so you can see the whole size becomes very small. So this is the first portion of that question. I hope you can see that, and you can pause the video and you can take your time. That's the first portion, and this is the second portion of that question. I hope you understand this question, and that is question number 8. The question number 9 is coming up on your screen. If 1 is subtracted from the numerator and 2 is added to the denominator of a fraction, the value obtained is 1 by 2. If 3 is added to its numerator and 2 is subtracted from its denominator, the resulting value is 1 whole 1 by 4. Find the fraction. So suppose that the numerator is x, the denominator is y, the fraction will be x by y. So x minus 1 divided by y plus 2, and that will be equals to 1 by 2. That will give you my first equation. And x plus 3 divided by y minus 2, and that will be equals to 1 whole 1 by 4, and that will give me my second equation. So let's see how I have done this. Okay, so here we go. So the numerator is x and the denominator is y. The fraction will be x by y. So their statement is subtract 1 from the numerator and add 2 in the denominator. The fraction will become 1 by 2. So x minus 1 divided by y plus 2 equals to 1 by 2. Cross multiply. So you will have 2x minus 2 equals to y plus 2. 2x minus y is equals to 2 plus 2. 2x minus y will be equals to 4. So that is my first equation. Then the condition they gave is if you add 3 in the numerator and subtract 2 from the denominator, the fraction will become 1 whole 1 by 4. So x plus 3 divided by y minus 2, and that will be equals to 5 by 4. You will cross multiply here. So 4 bracket x plus 3 bracket close equals to 5 bracket y minus 2 bracket close. So it will become 4x plus 12 equals to 5y minus 10. So 4x minus 5y equals to minus 10 minus 12. So 4x minus 5y is equals to minus 22. That is my second equation. So if you look at the first equation and the second equation, very easily, if I multiply my first equation with the 5, the coefficient of the y will become same. Then I can subtract them because both the coefficients are minus 5. So I will subtract them. So when you subtract them, you will eliminate the y. So here you can see I am going to 5 bracket 2x minus y bracket close minus bracket 4x minus 5y bracket close equals to 5 into 4 minus bracket start minus 22 bracket close. So you will have 10x minus 5y. You will have here 10x minus 5y minus 4x plus 5y equals to 20 plus 22. So this minus 5y plus 5y, they will be cancelled. 10x minus 4x, that will be 6x. 20 plus 22, that will be 42. So x will be equals to 42 divided by 6. That will be equals to 7. So now you have the value of the x. You can substitute this value into the first equation, and you will find the value of the y. So 2x minus y is equals to 4. So 2 into 7 minus y equals to 4. So 14 minus y is equals to 4. So minus y is equals to 4 minus 14. Minus y will be equals to minus 10. Minus minus will be cancelled. So y will be equals to 10. So the fraction is x by y. The value of the x is 7 and the value of the y is 10. So the fraction is 7 by 10. So this is how, my dear students, this question is done. So let me show you once again the whole question. So this is the first part of that question. I hope you can see that on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this portion. That's the first part. And then we have this portion, and here we go. So you can pause them and you can see them. So this is the answer. Okay. So then we have question number 10 coming up on your screen. He says a 2-digit number is such that the sum of its digits is 12 and the ones digit is twice its tens digit. Find the number. Okay, so suppose that the tens digit is x and the ones digit is y. So x plus y is equals to 12. That's the first thing. The second thing is that the ones digit is twice its tens digit. So y is equals to 2x. That's the second thing. And the number is, and the number is, it will be 10x plus y. The number will be 10x plus y because the tens, that should be multiplied with the 10. Okay, so in every 10, so here we go. So one's digit is y, the tens digit is x, the number will be 10x plus y. So the number which is at the tens place, that is always multiplied with the 10. So the number is 10x plus y. The first condition they gave us is that the sum of the digits is 12. So x plus y is equals to 12. The second condition they gave us is that the one's digit is twice the tens digit. So 2x is equals to y, 2x minus y is equals to 0. So that is my second equation. So if you simply add the first equation and the second equation, the y will be eliminated because their denominators are same and they have the opposite signs. So x plus y, the left side will be added in the left side, the right side will be added in the right side. So x plus y plus 2x minus y equals to 10 plus 0. So x plus y plus 2x minus y equals to 12. So plus y minus y, they will be cancelled. X plus 2x, that is 3x equals to 12. X is equals to 12 by 3, and that will be 4. So now I have the value of the x. Now I will substitute that value. X plus y is equals to 12. So I will take the first equation, which was x plus y equals to 12. So 4 plus, I will substitute the x with the 4. So you will have 4 plus y is equals to 12. Y will be equals to 12 minus 4, and that will be equals to 8. So the tens digit is 4, and the unit digit is, the ones digit is 8. So the number is 10x plus y. So it will be 10 into 4 plus 8. So it will be 40 plus 8, and that will be 48. So the number is 48. Okay, so let me show you the question. Okay, so the whole question, my dear students, is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this solution. Okay, so we are going to the next question. He says, in four years' time, Carol's mother, the question is, he says, in 4 years' time, Carol's mother will be 3 times as old as Carol. 6 years ago, his mother was 7 times as old as him. Find Carol's present age. So we will suppose that their present age is, Carol's present age is suppose X, his mother's present age is suppose Y. So after 4 years, the Carol's age will be X plus 4, and his mother's age will be Y plus 4. He says in 4 years' time, Carol's mother will be 3 times as old as Carol. So the mother age will be after the 4 years, it will be 3 times as old as the Carol's age at that time. So suppose, and let me show you, suppose here, okay. So the present age of the Carol is X, the mother's age is Y after 4 years. After 4 years, the Carol will be X plus 4 and the mother will be Y plus 4. So he says that the mother will be 3 times as old as Carol. So it will be 3 bracket X plus 4 bracket close equals to Y plus 4. So it will become 3X plus 12 equals to Y plus 4. So that will be 3X minus Y equals to 4 minus 12, and that will give you 3x minus y equals to minus 8. So this is my first equation. Then he says 6 years ago, his mother was 7 times as old as him. Fine. Okay. So 6 years ago, the Carol's age in 6 years ago will be x minus, x minus 6. The mother age was y minus 6. He says mother was 7 times as old as him. Okay. So here you can see that I have that first equation, 3x minus y equals to minus 8. So 6 years ago, the Carol was x minus 6 and the mother was y minus 6. He says the mother's age was 7 times the age of the Carol at that time. So 7 bracket x minus 6 bracket close equals to y minus 6. So 7x minus 42 is equals to y minus 6. 7x minus y is equals to minus 6 and plus 42. 7x minus y is equals to 36. So that is my second equation. I hope you understand this thing. So my first equation is 3x minus y is equals to minus 8. My second equation is 7x minus y equals to 36. The coefficient of the y is same here, minus 1, minus 1. So I will subtract the second equation from the first equation. The left side will be subtracted from the left side. The right side will be subtracted from the right side. Okay. So we will have 3x minus y minus bracket 7x minus y bracket close equals to minus 8 minus 36. 3x, it will be 3x minus y minus 7x plus y equals to minus 44. Minus y plus y will be cancelled. 3x minus 7x, it will be minus 4x equals to minus 44. Minus minus will be cancelled. X will be equals to 44 divided by 4 and x will be equals to 11. So the Carol's present age is 11 years. Now I will substitute the value of the x in I will substitute the value of the x in my first equation, which is 3x minus y equals to minus 8. So it will become 3x minus y equals to minus 8. So it will be 3 into 11. In the place of x, I have substituted 11. So 3 into 11 minus y equals to minus 8. So minus y is equals to minus 8 minus 33. So minus y is equals to minus 41. So minus minus will be cancelled. So y is equals to 41. It means Carol's present age is X, which is 11 years, and Carol's mother's age when Carol was born. That is the question. Okay. So that will be, I can tell you, that will be y minus x. From their present ages are the Carol is x, the mother is y. So when the Carol was born, what was the age of his mother? That will be mother age minus the son's age. So it will be y minus x, and that will be 41 minus 11, and that will be 33 years. So this is how you will do this question. So I can hope that I just hope that you can see this question. So this is the first part of that question, and that's showing up on your screen. You can pause the video. This is the second part of that video, that solution, I mean. And this is the third part of that solution. I hope you understand. Now we are on the question number 12. It says, if Shirley gives $3 to Priya, Priya will have twice as much as Shirley. If Priya gives $5 to Shirley, Shirley will have twice as much as Priya. How much does each of them have? That's the question number 12. Okay. So first of all, we will suppose that Okay, so we are going to suppose that Shirley has X dollars, the Priya has Y dollars initially. So Shirley gives $3 to Priya. So now the Shirley will have X minus 3 because the Priya has got $3. So she will have Y plus 3. He says that the Priya will have twice as much money as the Shirley. So it will be 2 bracket X minus 3 bracket close equals to Y plus 3. So you will have 2x minus 6 equals to y plus 3. So, and 2x minus y is equals to 3 plus x, 3 plus 6, sorry. So 2x minus y will be equals to 9. So that is my first equation. Then they say if the Priya gives, they say Shirley will have twice. If Priya gives $5 to Shirley, Shirley will have twice as much as Priya. Okay, now the Priya will give $5. If the Priya gives $5, now the Shirley will have received $5. So she will have X plus 5, and the Priya will have Y minus 5. Now, they say that the Shirley will have two times more money than 2 times the money Priya have. So X plus 5 is equals to 2 bracket X minus 5. So X plus 5 is equals to 2Y minus 10. So x minus 2y is equals to minus 10 minus 5. So x minus 2y is equals to minus 15. So now you can see I have these two equations with me. So the coefficient of the y can be made as same, and or you can make the coefficient of x same. For that purpose, you will multiply the second equation with 2, and then you will subtract both the equations. From the left side of the equation, the left side will be subtracted. From the right side, you will subtract the right side. Okay. So now you can see 2x minus y minus 2 bracket x minus 2y bracket close is equals to 9 minus 2 bracket minus 15 bracket close. So you will have 2x minus y minus 2x plus 4y equals to 9 plus 30. So minus 2x plus 2x, they will be cancelled with each other. And so you will have 3 minus y plus 4y, that will be 3y equals to 30 plus 9, that's 39. So 3y is equals to 39. So y will be equals to 39 divided by 3. So 3 and 39 divided by 3, that will give you 13. Now you have the value of the y. Now I will substitute the value of the y in my first equation, which was 2x minus y equals to 9. So 2x minus 13 is equals to 9. So 2x is equals to 9 plus 13. 2x is equals to 22. So x will be equals to 22 divided by 2. So when you cancel 22 with the 2, you will get 11. So x is equals to 11. So it means that the Shirley at the start has X dollars, which means $11, and the Priya initially has Y dollars, which means $13. So this is how this question is done. So let me reduce the size. You can see the question. So now you can see the whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take the time with this solution. So now the question number 13 is coming up on your screen. He says a vendor buys 36 smartphones and tablet computers from for $28,065. Given that a smartphone cost $895 and a tablet computer costs $618, find the number of each item the vendor buys. So suppose the smartphones are X and the tablet computers are Y. So X plus Y is 36 because he bought 36 gadgets. And their cost is, the total cost is 28,065. So X into 895 plus Y into 618 will be equals to $28,065. So these will be my two equations, and by solving them simultaneously, I will be able to find out the number of the smartphones and number of the tablet computers. Okay, so suppose that the smartphones they bought are okay. So suppose that the smartphones they have bought are X and the tablet computers are y, so x plus y is equals to 36. And that is my first equation. The total number of gadgets they bought are 36. Now I know the price of the smartphone, that is $895, and I know the price of the tablet computer, that is $618. So the total cost will be 895 into X plus 618 into Y, and that will be $28,065. So, and now we will use have, so I will, this is my second equation. So if you want to solve them, so I will have to make the coefficient of the X same, and then I will subtract them. So for that purpose, I will multiply my first equation with the 895. So 895 into X plus Y minus 895 plus 618, and this is in the bracket, equals to 895 multiplied 36 minus 28,065. This will become 895x plus 895y minus 895x minus 618y equals to 32,220 minus 28,065. So this 895x minus 895x, they will be cancelled. 895y minus 618y, so that will be 277y, and that will be equals to 4,155. So y will be equals to 4,155 divided by 277. So y will be equals to 15. So it means the number of the tablet computers are 15. Now I know the value of the y. I will substitute that value into my first equation, which is x plus y is equals to 36. So x plus 15, in the place of the y, I will substitute 15, and that is equals to 36. So x is equals to 36 minus 15, so x will be equals to 21. So this is how you will do this question. So let me reduce the size a little bit, so you can see the whole question. I hope. So the number of the smartphones they bought are 21, and the number of the tablet computers they have bought are 15. So you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Now we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 14 from the review exercise 2 from the book D2. The name of the book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. A cup of ice cream, milk tea, and 5 cups of ice cream, milk tea, and 5 cups of citron tea cost $26.80. Whereas the 7 cups of the ice cream milk tea and the 6 cups of the citron tea cost $38.60. Find the difference between the cost of 1 cup of the ice cream milk tea and 1 cup of the citron tea. Very simple. Suppose the price of the ice cream milk tea is X dollars and the price of the citron tea is Y dollars. So 5X plus 4Y will be equal to 26.80, and 7x plus 6y will be equals to 38.60. So these will be my two equations, and then I will solve them simultaneously. Then I will find the difference between the x and the y. So very simple, straightforward strategy. The rest is just the simple mathematics. Okay, so suppose the ice cream is X dollars, ice cream tea is X dollars, the citron tea is Y dollars. It says 5x plus 4y is equals to 26.8. That's my first equation. 7x plus 2y is equals to 38.6. That is my second equation. So I will make the y same. I will try to make the coefficient of the y same. For that purpose, I will multiply the first equation with the 3, the second equation with the 2, and I will subtract them from each other. So 3 bracket 5x plus 4y bracket close minus 2 bracket 7x plus 6y bracket close is equals to 3 into 26.8 minus 2 into 38.60. So 15x plus 12y minus 14x minus 12y is equals to 80.4 minus 77.2. So you will have x equals to $3.2. So x is equals to $3.2. So now I have the value of the x. It means the ice cream tea costs you $3.2. I will put this x value in my first equation. So 5x plus 4y equals to 26.8. So in the x, I will substitute the value 3.2. So 5 into 3.2 plus 4y equals to 26.8. So 4y will be equal to 26.8. So 4y will be equal to 26.8 minus 16.0. So you will have 4y equals to 10.8. So y will be equals to 10.8 divided by 4. So y will be equals to 2.7. Okay, now the difference between the last thing they asked you was what is the difference between their prices? So the difference of the cost is 3.2 minus 2.7, and 3.2 minus 2.7, that will be 0.5. So this is how you will do this question, easy peasy. That is the first portion of that question. I hope you can understand. And this is my second portion of that question. And this is how this question is done. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. So now we are going to the next question. He says, Vishal mixes coffee powder that costs 2.50 per kg with the coffee powder that costs 3.50 per kg. So suppose, and then he says, given that he sold 20 kg of the mixture at $2.80 per kg, such that he does not make any profit or incur any loss. Find the mass of each type of coffee powder that he uses for the mixture. So this is question number 15 from the book D2. This is review exercise 2. So suppose that the coffee powder which costs you $2.50 per kg, that is X kg, and the coffee powder that costs you $3.50 per kg, that is Y kg. That is Y kg. And when you mix them together, the mixture is 20 kg. So X plus Y, when you mix them together, the mass is 20 kg. So X plus Y is 20 kg, and because they have made no profit, no loss, so X into 2.50 plus Y into 3.50, that will be equals to 20 multiplied 2.80. So these are my two equations on which I will be making this question. So $2.50 per kg powder, suppose that is X kg, and $3.50 per kg powder, that is Y kg. The total mixture of them is 20 kg, so that means X plus Y is equals to 20 kg. So X plus Y is equal to 20 kg is my first equation. So, and then they said because they made no profit, no loss. So 2.50 into X plus 3.50 into Y, that will be equals to 2.80 into 20. So 2.50x plus 3.50y equals to 56. So these are the two equations. So these are my two equations. This equation is first equation. This is second equation. So you can multiply the first equation with the 2.5 and then subtract the second equation from it. And you will eliminate x and you will find the value of the y automatically. So 2.5 into bracket x plus y bracket close minus 2.5 x plus 3.5 y bracket close equals to 2.5 into 20 minus 56. So 2.5x plus 2.5y minus 2.5x minus 3.5y equals to 50 minus 56. So you will have minus y equals to minus 6, minus minus will be cancelled. So y is equals to 6 kg. And well, now I know the value of the y. I will substitute this value into my first equation, and I will find out the value of the x. So x plus y is equals to 20. So y in the place of the y, I will substitute 6. So x plus 6 is equals to 20. So x will be equals to 20 minus 6. So x will be equals to 14 kg. So this is how you will find, and this is how this is done. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. And then you can pause the video. And this is how. So this is the solution of the question number 15 showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with the solution. Question number 16 from the review exercise 2 of the chapter number 2 from the D2 New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. A mobile company charges a fixed rate of X cents per minute for the first 120 minutes of the talk time, and another rate of Y cents per minute for each additional minutes of the talk time. Ethan paid 26.80 and 32.40 for 175 minutes and 210 minutes of talk time on two different occasions, respectively. Find the amount he has to pay if he uses 140 minutes of the talk time. Okay. So the first call is of 175 minutes, which total cost was $26.80. So in 175 minutes, 120 minutes will cost you X cents per minute. And the rest of the 55 minutes, they will be charged Y cents per minute. So you will have 120X plus 55Y equals to 26.80. That will be my first equation. Now, the second call is of 210 minutes. 210 minutes, and so the first 120 minutes, their cost is X cents per minute. And so the rest of the 90-minute call, that will be charged by the Y cents per minute. So you will have 120X plus 90Y equals to $32.40. And because you see there is a problem, these rates, they are in cents per minute, and this bill is in dollars. So this should also be converted into cents. So for that purpose, I will multiply 26.80 in that equation, the first equation, with 100, and 32.40. This will be also multiplied with the 100 because these rates are cents per minute. So let me show you my solution. So here you can see. So I'm going to make my, okay, so you will have 120X plus 55Y equals to 2680. You see this amount, 2680, I have converted $26.80 into cents because the X and Y, they both are in cents. So 120X plus 55Y equals to 2,680 cents. So that is my first equation. Then you have the second call was 120X plus 90Y equals to 3240. This was in dollars, $32.40. But here I have written it in cents. The reason is X and Y are in cents. So 120X plus 90Y is equals to 3,240. So that is my first equation. And this is my second equation. So I will subtract from my, I will subtract the second equation from the first equation. So that will be 120X plus 55Y minus bracket start. It will be 120X plus 90Y bracket close equals to 2680 minus 3240. So it will be 120X plus 55Y minus 120X minus 90Y equals to minus 560. So plus 20X minus 120X plus 120X minus 120X, they will be cancelled. So 55Y minus 90Y, that will be minus 35Y equals to minus 560. Minus minus will be cancelled. So Y will be equals to 560 divided by 35. So Y will be equals to 60. So now you know the value of the Y. I can use the first equation. I can substitute there X with the, so 120X plus 55Y equals to 2680. So in the place of Y, I will substitute 16. So 120X plus 55 into 16 is equal to 2680. So 120X plus 880 is equal to 2680. So 120X is equal to 2680 minus 880. So 120X is equal to 1800. So X will be equal to 1800 divided by 120. So X will be equal to 15. 1800 divided by 120. So X will be equal to 15. So now I know the value of the X and the Y. So the first 120 minutes are charged as 15 cents per minute, and the additional minutes, they are charged at 16 cents per minute. Okay. Their question was, what will be the cost of the of a call which lasts for 140 minutes? And that I can. So So the cost of the 140-minute call will be 120x plus 20y. So 120 into 15 plus 20 into 16, and this will give me 2,120 cents. So if you want to convert this into the dollars and 2120 divided by 100, so it will cost you $21.20. So you can see this is question number 16, and let me show you. And here we go. So I think now the question number 16, the whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can see that the whole question. You can pause the video and you can watch this solution. You can take your time with the solution. That is question number 16. So now we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 17, and it says in a mathematics test, the average score obtained by the class 2A is 72, and the average score obtained by the class 2B is 75. The average score obtained by the two classes is 73.48. Given that there is a total of 75 students in the two classes, find the number of the students in each class. So suppose the 2A class that has X number of the students and the 2B class that has Y number of the students. Because the average score of the is 72 of the 2A class, you know the average is equals to the sum divided by the number of the students. So the sum will be equals to 72 multiply X. In the same way, suppose there are Y students in the 2B class, the average score is 75. So the sum of the scores will be 75 multiply Y. So if you want to find the average of the whole of the two classes, both the classes together, so that will be the sum of the scores of the 2A class and the sum of the scores of the 2B class. And then you will divide it with the whole, the total number of the students. And that is also given to us, that 73.48. So I know they have told us that the total number of the students in both the classes is 75. So we will have X plus Y is equals to 75. So let's see how we have solved it. I've tried to explain you, but actual question is here. Here is the actual solution. So the class 2A, suppose it has X number of the students, and the class 2B, it has Y number of the students. So the total students in both the classes, they are X plus Y equals to 75. So, and then say sum of the 2A plus sum of the 2B will be equal to the sum of the both classes. The sum is mean multiplied the number of students, that's 72X plus 75 multiply Y, and that will be equals to 75 is the total student in both the classes into the mean of the both the classes. That's 73.48. So it will be 72X plus 75Y equals to 5511. So that is my second equation. So first equation and the second equation. So I will multiply the first equation with the 72, and that will make the coefficient of the X same, and then I will subtract them from each other. So here you can see 72 bracket X plus Y bracket close minus bracket 72X plus 75 Y equals to 72 into 75 minus 5511. So 72X plus 72Y minus 72X minus 75Y equals to 5400 minus 551. So 72X minus 72X, they will be cancelled. 72Y minus 75Y, that will be minus 3Y equals to minus 1, 1. So Y will be equals to minus minus is cancelled, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 divided by 3. So Y will be equals to 37. So now you have the value of the Y, you can substitute it in the first equation. So it will be X plus Y equals to 75. So X plus 37 equals to 75. So X will be equals to 75 minus 37. So X will be equals to 38. The value of the X is 37. The value, 38, and the value of the Y is 37. So it means in the class 2A, there are 38 students, and in the class 2B, there are 37 students. If you add them, the total students are 75. So this is how you will do the question number 17. So my dear students, this is the solution of the question number 17 showing up on your screen. And so I hope you have understood this question. That was the question number 17, and that's the last question of the review exercise 2. So the review exercise is done. So we are done with in this video, we have done from question number, we have completed from the question number. So we have completed from the question number 6 to question number 17. So hopefully you understand this exercise, especially the story sums. My students in the 11th Cambridge who are preparing for the Cambridge O-level exams, they feel they have issue with this concept because when they studied this concept, that was the time of the Corona pandemic. So that's a problem. So that's why I have to do this. And I hope that this will help you. I hope this will help you to do these questions, to understand these concepts, especially the story sums. Simultaneous equations is very important topic. This always come in paper. This can come in paper 1. This can also come in paper 2 of the mathematics 4024 paper. So I hope you understand. This will help you. If you find this video useful, interesting, and you think that this can help your students, your class fellows, your junior students, your teachers, please share the link of this video onto your Facebook and onto your Instagram and onto your Twitter account. It's a great blessing for me that I can make these videos and I can help, or I can touch the lives of so many students around the globe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. God bless you all.